guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a copy of your presentation on Prezi. So to start, go to prezi.com and look at the left side. Then go to presentations. So click presentations. Now once you click that, just scroll down and hover over to your presentation files and click the three dots right here. Then click make a copy. So once you click that, it will open a new window. So just wait for it to finish. Now go back to the main page, refresh the page, and as you can see, there's another copy of that presentation. So if you click the three dots again, you can delete it in here, you can share it, you can edit it, you can also download it as PDF, download it as PPTX, etc. So you can also view analytics in here and go to settings. And that's basically it. So again, go to presentations and click the three dots and just tap on make a copy. And that's it. Thank you for watching.